Understanding, call a spade, navigating the nuances of English idioms. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, call a spade. Idioms enrich our language, adding color and depth, but they can sometimes be confusing for learners. So, let's break down this idiom, its origins, meanings, and how to use it in everyday conversation. We hope this video makes your English learning journey a bit easier and a lot more fun. The phrase, call a spade, means to speak frankly and directly about a topic, not using euphemisms or softening the language. It's about being honest and straightforward, even if the truth is a bit blunt or uncomfortable. The idiom encourages transparency and discourages beating around the bush or sugarcoating things. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us grasp their meanings better. The phrase, call a spade, has a long history, dating back to ancient Greece. However, it was not about garden tools but rather used in the context of calling something by its most appropriate name. Over time, the phrase was translated and adapted into English, where it took on its current form and meaning. It's a great example of how language evolves over time and across cultures. Now that you know what it means and where it comes from, let's talk about how to use call a spade in conversation. This idiom is perfect for situations where honesty is valued over politeness. For example, if a friend is making excuses for not meeting deadlines, you might say, let's call a spade. You need to manage your time better. Remember, while it's important to be honest, it's equally important to be kind. Use this phrase wisely and consider the context and your relationship with the person you're speaking to. A quick note on cultural sensitivity. While idioms are a rich part of the English language, they can sometimes carry meanings or connotations that are not immediately obvious. Always consider your audience and whether certain phrases might be misunderstood or potentially offensive. Language is powerful, and using it responsibly helps ensure effective and respectful communication. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, call a spade. We hope this video has shed light on this idiom, making your English language learning a bit more colorful and a lot clearer. Remember, idioms are a window into the culture of a language, and mastering them is a significant step towards fluency. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to call a spade in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you next time.